It's told in Bhagavatam. If you go, it says, if you go on yatra, holy Dham yatra, and keval lilas darshan, Thakurji darshan, Jamuna snan, Ganga snan, dan, there's some benefit, punya phal prapti. But it's not full benefit. Pura art nehoga. And actually, even the Shastra said, if you go, the Dham is nishfal. How? If you don't meet the sadhu, you don't meet the saintly person, and hear Harikatha Shravan. If you don't hear Harikatha, then your Dhamvas is something. The Dham is divya, transcendental. So any contact with Dham, just seeing, your eyes become bhakti sanskara, Dham dristi. And then you're walking bare feet, no shoes. So then Dham sparsh, Chintamani bhumi, Brajabhumi, Chintamani, Sparsha bhumi. So many, both Pavitram Mangalam, and Punya coming. But full benefit comes when you meet Sadhu. Because Sadhu lives in a Dham. And wherever he goes is also Dham.